Okay, so I'm just starting the track feeder wire now. So I got the cordless drill, and in between the track ties I've drilled a hole either side. Then I got some wire and I've tinned the ends of the wire and I've pushed them up from the underneath. Now in this particular layout, red is going to be for right and black will be for left. So I have to make sure that all the other track feeder wires are wired up the exact same way, or I'm going to have big problems. Okay, now when it comes to soldering the feeder wire, you can see I've bent it slightly at 90 degrees. So when I push it down, it should fit snugly down onto the rail. Now I'm going to just tin the side of this track here, and then I'll solder this wire straight onto the track. Okay, so this is the first set of feeders done, and I've got 3 more to go, 3 more sets to go. So I've got the rest of the feeder wires in now, and I'm going to solder these down to the rails, and then I'm going to flip the board over and we're going to attach the feeder wires to the bus line. Okay, so here are the feeder wires coming from the top, and I've wound all the black wires together and all the red ones together. I'll be tinning these ends. Then on the bus line here, I've exposed the copper on each of these bus lines. I'm just going to directly solder the track feeders to the bus line. Okay, now so I've soldered the track feeders. So the red track feeders go to the bus line with the red stripe, and the black track feeders will go to the white bus line. And I put a bit of insulation tape around there to just protect that. Alright, so I've just got the other end to do, and that's all the feeders done. So I'm doing my last set of feeders now, and you can see I've just got the 2 black wires and I've just soldered it directly to the white wire, which is the bus wire. Then at this end I've got the 2 reds and I've just soldered it directly to the red striped wire. So now I'm going to wrap some insulation tape around both these joints, and that is the end of all the track feeders. So the only thing left to do now is flip the board over and switch it on and see what happens.